I should have showed you doing it, but this new hatchet I got, cheap one off of Amazon, works pretty darn well.
Built the fire with my wonderful egg carton homemade fire starters.
There we go. Burning up some trash too. All right, YouTubers, I've been meaning to do this for a while. This is a top round steak, and this is a little grill thing, you know, and I'm gonna cook it on that fire once it goes down a little bit, while I watch that sunset over that beautiful big Lake Gitchigumi. I've been meaning to do it for a while. I had some other plans, but it's just been too wet, so maybe in the future I'll do something else.
Jump to 403 if you just want to see the steak. Otherwise, nice crackling fire. Pretty good day. A nice sunset and crackling fire can bring on the mellow. Makes you go, ah. It's the simple things. I'm 100% realizing this is probably very boring, but a sunset and a campfire are great things to do. Part of the why you go RVing. Next, we're going to try that simple steak cooking on the campfire. It's not complicated at all.
That's what a campfire looks like. All right, there's a fire. I wanted it to be all coals, but again, it's getting dark, so let me get the steak. So here we go with the contraption. Let's hope I can do this without putting it in the fire. There's the steak. Again, it's just it's a top round. Put that in there. I used to do this kind of stuff a lot. I haven't done it in a while. So there it is. Nothing fancy. I'm going to flip a lot. It's very thin. I doctored it up with a little think it's apple wood. Again, I'm cheating and using that instead of crouching over holding it. But as I said, I got some plans to do some other more camp cooking in the future.
Maybe when some dry days come around, I'll do something a little bit more intricate than just this simple way to cook a steak. But as we all know, cooking over an open fire gives it a little extra flavor, gives it a little something something. And throw in a great location and it's a win-win.
Hold on.
This fancy fire pit, an old rim, has a little rim in it so I could get it down closer to the fire as the fire was getting where I wanted, just coals.
It's getting too dark. We're getting there. It's pretty close, I think. That looks good. That actually looks really good. All right, I think that's about done. I think we're good. I'm gonna shut this off. We're gonna plate it. Okay. Yeah. First of all, look at that view. All right. I'll put some light on it. That's what it looks like. Knife and fork. See? Came out pretty well.
Pretty location to cook and eat, right on the beach of Lake Superior with the waves coming in, a nice sunset. It's a good, good day.
There we go. Now I'm gonna eat it. Wish I could get more light on there for you. I'll try this. Hold that light under my chin. That's very good. Quick and easy. And as I finish eating, I'm gonna let you see the beautiful orange sky.
I think it turned out pretty darn good. And yes, that basket I used to cook it with was from the thrift store.
All right. Oh, and by the way, I already ate my other stuff before this. Turned out nice. That's beautiful, isn't it?
I know it was a really simple way to cook it, but I hope you enjoyed a video of cooking a little bit different way than I normally do. No electricity. Have a great and wonderful day.